Bullish 1 cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.74 and $3.80 by 2030. Market investigators accept 1 could reach $1.74 by 2025. Bearish 1 market cost expectation for 2022 is 31 cents. 1 presentation. DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where digital money exchanging happens without the contribution of an outsider. All in all, no monetary establishment or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without separation and must just associate their advanced wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp, as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that differ from one trade to another, and merchants attempt to purchase the coins at the least value conceivable to expand benefits. This digital money guide will show you all that there is to be familiar with the 1 organization and its elements. Regardless, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1 organization cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1 organization? This organization has made exchanging more advantageous. It examines all DEXs and tracks down the one with the most minimal cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1 organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1 organization environment. This 1 organization is comprised of 3 conventions that guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1 accumulation convention. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation, each with its own arrangement of costs. Some proposition a greater cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost. This convention breaks down the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the least cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price, thus. 1 liquidity convention. The convention handles all errands connected with insurance and well-being. This convention safeguards members from different dangers that they might experience while exchanging. It likewise gives motivating forces to its clients. 1 cutoff request convention. This convention is the most as of late refreshed of the 3. Its administrations limit clients' structure trade potential open doors in decentralized finance. Different highlights of this convention incorporate powerful evaluating and contingent orders. This convention additionally upholds custom executions, for example, stop misfortune and following stop orders. 1 wallet. This wallet empowers exchanging on an assortment of trade stages. Clients store their resources in the computerized wallet and associate it to the 1 organization to start exchanging without giving over control of their resources for anybody. This 1 wallet is an easy-to-understand versatile stage that safeguards the resources of the clients. It likewise works on the members' exchange and marking abilities. 1 coin outline. The 1 organization's ticker image is 1 It gives capacity to the 1 organization and empowers clients to partake. These tokens offer their clients impetuses as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Likewise, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Besides, holders of 1 coins reserve the privilege to decide on future coin-related proposition. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, OKEX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1 organization coins. In spite of the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1 tokens, exchanging through advanced wallets isn't upheld. The 1 organization token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The greatest withdrawal sum for 1 is 31,251 with a base cost of 3.331 coins. 1 is right now worth 38 cents USD. 1 has moved 2.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,471,742. 1 is right now positioned 86 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $296,371,908 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for 1 to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous 1 market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. 1 value forecast 2022. 1 from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The 1INCH cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 58 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 54 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. 1INCH is supposed to have a base worth of 46 cents. 1INCH value expectation 2023. In 2023, 1INCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1INCH will before long outperform 96 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the 1INCH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, 1INCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 77 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 85 cents. 1INCH value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.36 and 1INCH may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. 1INCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.24 and a low of $1.16 in 2024. 1INCH value forecast 2025. On the off chance that 1INCH effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the 1INCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, 1INCH will be green in 2025. The 1INCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.74, with a base cost of $1.55 and a typical cost of $1.63. 1INCH value forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the 1INCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.02 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.94 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, 1INCH has a greatest value worth of $2.13. 1INCH value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.40. In the event that 1INCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.52. Neglecting to accumulate the help 1INCH necessities by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.33. 1INCH value forecast 2028. While 1INCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.71 and a yearly cost close above $2.91 in 2028. 1INCH value expectation 2029. By 2029, 1INCH will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.10 and